Welcome to our latest video guide, where we'll show you how to reset chat settings to default in Instagram. Keeping your messaging experience fresh and optimized is important, so let's dive into the steps to achieve that. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've located the settings, it's time to tap on Apps or Application Manager. This is where you have control over your apps and their settings. Next, you'll want to find and select the Instagram app. This is the key to resetting your chat settings. Tap on the Instagram app to proceed. Once you're in, tap on Storage. This is where you can manage the data and settings of the app. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Choose Clear Data to reset the app to its default state. This action will erase any customized settings and restore Instagram to its original configuration. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can reset your chat settings to default in Instagram and enjoy a clean slate for your messaging experience. Remember, keeping things fresh and organized is key to getting the most out of your social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience.